As a homeowner in Covington, protecting your home from the elements while maintaining its aesthetic appeal is crucial. One of the most effective ways to do this is by investing in a storm door during your door replacement project. Whether you're replacing a worn-out entry door or upgrading your home's exterior, adding a storm door offers numerous benefits that enhance the functionality, security, and curb appeal of your property. Here's why Covington homeowners should consider choosing storm doors during replacement. Protection from harsh weather. Covington's climate can be unpredictable, with frequent rainstorms, high humidity, and intense heat, especially during the summer months. Storm doors provide an additional layer of protection for your entry door, helping to shield it from extreme weather conditions. In Louisiana, where rainfall can be heavy and humidity high, a storm door prevents excess moisture from damaging your main entry door. It acts as a barrier, protecting your primary door from rain, wind, and debris. Additionally, storm doors are designed to withstand the elements and help extend the life of your entry door, preventing damage like rotting, warping, or peeling caused by prolonged exposure to rain and moisture. Improved energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a major concern for many homeowners, particularly in areas with fluctuating temperatures like Covington. Without proper insulation, heat can escape in the winter and warm air can infiltrate during the summer, making it harder to regulate indoor temperatures and increasing your energy bills. Storm doors can significantly improve your home's energy efficiency. With their added layer of insulation, storm doors help to keep your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. This added barrier prevents drafts from entering through your main door, ensuring that your HVAC system works more efficiently and reducing the strain on your air conditioning or heating. As a result, you can lower your energy consumption and save money on your utility bills. Enhanced security and safety. Security is always a priority for homeowners, and storm doors offer an added layer of protection for your home. In addition to reinforcing the structural integrity of your entryway, storm doors come equipped with stronger locks and advanced security features that make it more difficult for intruders to break into your home. Many storm doors feature solid core construction and impact-resistant glass, making it harder for burglars to break through. With modern security features such as multi-point locks or deadbolts, storm doors can further secure your property and prevent unauthorized access. Whether you live in a more secluded area or a busy neighborhood in Covington, the added security of a storm door provides peace of mind knowing that your home is better protected. Better ventilation and natural light. One of the unique advantages of installing a storm door is the ability to enjoy fresh air and natural light without compromising security or comfort. During pleasant weather, storm doors allow you to open your main entry door while still maintaining protection from insects, debris, and potential break-ins. Many storm doors come with screen options, allowing you to enjoy ventilation and natural light while keeping bugs and dirt outside. This feature is particularly useful in Covington, where the weather is often mild enough to open doors and enjoy fresh air, but you may want to keep out mosquitoes or other pests. With a storm door, you can let the breeze flow through your home, enhancing comfort and improving your indoor air quality without worrying about safety or pests. Increased curb appeal. Your home's exterior is a reflection of your style and personality, and your entry door plays a large role in the first impression your home makes. Adding a storm door during replacement enhances the aesthetic appeal of your entryway, giving it a polished and elegant look. Storm doors come in a variety of styles, materials, and finishes, allowing you to select a door that complements your home's architectural style. Whether you prefer a classic, traditional design or a sleek, modern look, there's a storm door to fit your preferences. With options like decorative glass panels, customized hardware, and various frame materials, you can choose a storm door that enhances your home's curb appeal while adding to its overall charm. Low maintenance and durability. One of the benefits of installing a storm door is that it is typically low maintenance. Many modern storm doors are designed to resist weathering, fading, and rusting, making them durable and easy to care for. Materials like aluminum or fiberglass are highly resistant to wear and tear, meaning you won't need to spend a lot of time or money on upkeep. Additionally, storm doors are built to last for many years, offering long-term protection for your main entry door. This durability ensures that your investment will continue to provide value and protection for your home without requiring constant attention. Increased home value. If you're thinking about selling your home in the future, installing a storm door can be a smart investment. Homebuyers often look for homes that are secure, energy efficient, and aesthetically appealing. A storm door adds value by offering both practical and aesthetic benefits. It enhances your home's security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal, key factors that can make your property stand out in a competitive market. A well-installed storm door can also increase the overall marketability of your home, making it a more attractive option for potential buyers. Final thoughts. For Covington homeowners, installing a storm door during door replacement offers numerous benefits. From protecting your home from harsh weather and improving energy efficiency to enhancing security, ventilation, and curb appeal, storm doors are a smart investment that provides long-term value. Whether you're looking to improve the look of your entryway, enhance your home's comfort, or increase its resale value, storm doors offer a perfect blend of functionality and style. Choose a storm door for your next replacement, and enjoy the peace of mind and enhanced curb appeal that comes with this practical upgrade.